guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rhoda and this is the Cookalicious Kitchen, where we always make amazing recipes the easiest of ways. Well, today on the menu is, I decided to finally embrace the challenge of making a photo soup with 1,000 naira. Well, you know the challenge is on the YouTube. I decided to follow the trend in the challenge, but I have a but there. I stay in Port Harcourt, and Port Harcourt is regarded as the most expensive city in Nigeria. Yes, outrageously expensive. Yes, very expensive. So I decided to embrace the challenge. It wasn't really easy, I would say, but I added a little tweak in mind, in the sense that I know things are expensive in Port Harcourt. So I know that having the idea of making a pot of soup with 1,000 is totally off the limits. Yeah, off the market. It's not possible. Except you just want to make probably okra soup. You can actually make an okra soup for that. But it seems to be very small. So I wanted to make egusi soup. But I wanted to add beef into it. So this is my own version of it. Well, let's know how much actually I spent in making my own pot of soup. And please, this is my pot of soup, a meal for 3 persons in a family, and at least you're going to eat it for 2 or 3 days. And in fact, this is our 3rd day we are eating the soup. Yes. So I made the soup about 3 days ago. We had it that day, we had it yesterday night, and we still have some in the fridge for today. So this is the 3rd day. So let me show you. Okay guys, so here are my list of ingredients. Well, I told you it's not possible in Port Harcourt. It's not possible. All right, so I got this fish for 400 naira, and it's the cheapest in the market. You can see my meat. I got this meat for 500 naira. I think it's about 7 pieces. Cow skin for 200 naira. I got Periwinkle for 200 naira. I got this 1 cup, that's the milk cup of melon. I got this for 300 naira. So you see, I got this for 100 naira, and it's because the woman is my customer. If not, normally what they do in Port Harcourt here is they sell the red one different and they sell the yellow one different, and the price for each is 100 naira. That's what they do. So because the woman is my customer and I had to plead with her, so she gave me both of them for 100 naira. And annoyingly, I got this for 100 naira, but it's better. So altogether, what I have here is 1,900 naira to cook just 1 cup of melon in Port Harcourt. Well, let's go right into the cooking process. So I'm also going to be using salt, stock cube. Those ones are what I already have in the house, palm oil, and so on and so forth. So let's go and see how tasty the soup will be. Anyway, I know the soup will be very tasty. So let's go to the cooking process. So I like to salt my oil. Add my pepper and crayfish. So I'm going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes. I'm going to be adding the fish now. So at this point, you're going to also add your seasoning. We're also going to let this simmer for about 2 minutes or so, then we'll add the next. So right now I'm adding the melon and the meat. Right now we're going to add periwinkle. Now periwinkle doesn't take so much time to get cooked. I'm going to be adding my pumpkin leaf. So literally I cook this soup in 30 minutes. And this would actually be enough for a family of 3 for at least 2 days. Yes. So when we're done eating it today, we'll freeze it and eat it tomorrow or next tomorrow. So I'm going to let this cook for at least another 2 minutes. Remember, it's vegetable and it doesn't really need to stay so much. The soup is ready. If you enjoyed every process of it, please do well to hit the subscribe button, please, so that you'll be welcome to this amazing family of ours where we post videos once or twice every week. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You know I love you and you are always the best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you. So once again, thank you. Hope you found this video and this recipe very simple and easy. Hope to see you in my other videos. Bye for now and see you in my next